Oh, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. As you know, in our last video, I found out that this wheel bearing was loose. So we got to go in and at least repack it, if not replace it. I know it seems like I'm doing this all the time, and I know it seems like I'm doing this all the time, and you know, I don't know when the last time I was in this side was. I don't know if it was this spring or if it was last fall or last spring. I really don't know, and that kind of tells you that it isn't all that often, especially for an off-roader. I mean, realistically, I'd like to put this thing on a regular maintenance schedule so I could keep track of these things and maybe go through a few less parts. I mean, realistically, these should be repacked every time we get back from going out. That would be the ultimate, especially in the conditions that we go out in. I mean, compared to a road vehicle, this thing gets really abused. So, looks like the inner bearing was getting a little dry. In fact, she's done for. So an inner bearing race and seal. The outer bearing looks okay. So, yes, had we been able to take this apart and repack it every time after an event, well, we wouldn't have to be doing this. So now you guys are saying that I should do the other side right now because it's been an event since we did it. At least, I think it's been one event. Maybe it's been two. I don't know. Drop a comment, let me know. But realistically, what I'd like to do is I'd like to get on a maintenance schedule where I'd check them at least twice a year. Gotta change the race every time you change a bearing. Sounds like that's bottomed out. Such a messy job. You end up wasting more grease than you use. Oh. Huh, there we go. There, almost all back together now. Gotta put the brakes on and the tire on. Never seize on the brakes. You aren't supposed to do this, but in the conditions we run, it makes a world of difference. You just don't want to get it on the brake pad surface or on the rotor. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, we got our torque stick installed, and the torque stick is a spring-loaded extension that limits the amount of torque that you can put on a nut. Specifically a lug nut. There. Well, I know this one is short, but thanks for watching. BSF Recovery Team, keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. Pick up your ball. Pick up your ball. Get it. Get it. Well, get it. Okay, there's one dually wheel. And there is two more. But there should be a fourth one. I don't know where the fourth one is.